Hey guys, what's going on? It's AJ from Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Sony WF-XB700 earbuds. This reset can help with charging issues or not connecting issues. It's not foolproof, but it's definitely the first thing to try when you're having issues with these earbuds. The first things you're going to do, you're going to want to make sure they charged up. You can see here that they're red, which means they're charging from the case, which is good. And then when you take them out, you should see flashing blue. If you don't, the reset might help fix that, but you should see flashing blue. That means that they're working. So we'll just go ahead, and you're going to see these buttons on the bottom here, on either one. You're just going to hold them down. So I push them. You're going to hold them down for about 30 seconds, and you'll know when to let go because the light will turn red, and then once it's done flashing red, then you let go. See, now they're flashing red, and now they're not. We'll let go, and they've been reset. Sometimes the blue light will flash, sometimes it won't. Just go ahead and throw them back in the case. Pull them out again, and they should both be flashing blue. This means that they're in pairing mode, which is kind of what you want in the reset, and that's all there is to it. Super easy. If that doesn't solve your issue, then it could be something else. Maybe try a reset again. But that is how you run a reset on your XB700s for your Sony earbuds. If you've got any questions, please feel free to leave comments down below. We'll answer them as soon as we can. If you're having other issues with these earbuds, we have videos on how to replace the battery. You can check it out in the description below. This has been AJ with Joe's Gaming Electronics. Peace out.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.